everyone, welcome to the Twist Junior Scientist. Myself Prakruti Patel of grade 10th A from the Radiant International School. In today's episode, we are going to perform practical demonstration of diffraction through single slit experiment. So, have you guys ever wondered why is our shadow blurry? The answer to this question is diffraction. What is diffraction? Diffraction is nothing but the interference or bending of light waves around the edges of an obstacle or through an aperture into the geometrical region of obstacle or aperture. Now let's go with the experiment. So here we have two razor blades attached to this box and a powerful laser light. In this experiment, I will pass a beam of light towards the narrow slit. As you can see, when the light is passed through the narrow slit, it spreads out and forms a pattern of bright and dark fringes. These fringes are a result of interference between the diffracted waves. The center bright fringe is the brightest and is surrounded by the alternative bright and dark fringes. As we move from the center, the intensity of the fringes gradually decreases. Isn't it really fascinating to observe these bright and dark fringes through this experiment? Single slit diffraction is a fundamental principle in wave optics and is exploited to variety of practical applications such as spectrometer, optical microscopy, X-ray crystallography, and laser technology. Its ability to separate different wavelengths of light and create an interference pattern is crucial in many scientific and technological fields. It's a hands-on way to explore the fascinating world of wave optics through this experiment. Thank you everyone.